Ever imagined being stranded in the wilderness, your survival depending solely on your wits and resourcefulness? The difference between a dire situation and an adventure is often a matter of preparation and knowledge. Today, we're going to arm you with a set of quickfire survival hacks designed to boost your confidence when faced with unexpected situations. From emergency kit essentials to DIY fire starters, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we delve into essential survival hacks that could potentially save your life. First things first, a well-stocked emergency kit is your best friend in a survival situation. Picture this, a compact portable kit packed with essentials. A multi-tool flashlight, first aid supplies, even a water purification system. Each item, a lifeline. But remember, it's not one size fits all. Tailor your kit to your personal needs. Consider your environment, your skills. A customized kit isn't just handy, it's a reflection of your preparedness. With an emergency kit, you are one step ahead in your survival game. Warmth, cooking, signaling, fire serves many purposes. But how do you start one? It's simpler than you might think. All you need are a few common household items. Start with a cotton ball, then dab it with petroleum jelly. This combo will easily catch a spark from a flint or lighter. Next, use a dry stick or twig to transfer the flame to your kindling, and voila, you've got fire. Remember, mastering fire creation is a fundamental survival skill. Lost in the wilderness, knowing how to navigate can be your ticket home. Nature is replete with navigation tools if you know where to look. Using the sun's position, you can easily determine the cardinal directions. Remember, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Landmarks are also crucial. Find a distinctive feature on the horizon and use it as a reference point. This way you can keep track of your direction. So, next time you are lost, remember the sun and landmarks are your guides. A shelter can protect you from the elements and wildlife. Let's learn a quick method. Crafting a sturdy shelter doesn't have to be a Herculean task. With a few basic materials like branches, leaves, and a bit of ingenuity, you can create a haven that keeps you dry and safe. Remember, the goal isn't to build a five-star hotel, but a functional space that shields you from the wind, rain, and potential predators. A good shelter can make the difference between a good night's sleep and a struggle for survival. Hungry? Nature's pantry might have something for you, but beware of the toxic ones. In the wilderness, a variety of plants can serve as a source of nutrition. Take the dandelion for instance, every part of this common weed is edible, from the roots to the blossoms. Or consider the cattail, often found near bodies of water. Its root, shoots, and pollen can be consumed. But remember, proper identification is crucial to avoid harmful plants. When in doubt, don't eat. Your safety is paramount. Water is life, but how to find and purify it in the wilderness? When in the wild, look for signs of water like green vegetation, birds circling overhead, or wet ground. To purify, use a portable filter or purification tablets. If you're without these, a simple boiling process can help kill most pathogens. Fill your container with water, place it over a fire, and let it boil for about 1 minute. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for your survival. Help might be just around the corner, but how do you signal for it? Signaling is a crucial survival skill that often gets overlooked. You can use mirrors to reflect sunlight, create loud sounds with a whistle, or craft an improvised signal like a smoke signal or a ground marker. The key is to make your presence known and visible. Don't underestimate the power of a good signal. It can cut short your ordeal in a survival situation. Remember, effective signaling can dramatically increase your chances of being rescued. Survival isn't just about living through a situation, it's about thriving. Today, we've covered some key survival strategies that can make a world of difference in an unexpected situation. From packing your personalized emergency kit with essentials like a multi-tool, flashlight, and first aid supplies, to creating a DIY fire starter, these are skills that can really come in handy. We've also delved into wilderness navigation, highlighting the importance of understanding your surroundings and how to navigate using nature's cues. We've shown you how to build a basic shelter, identify edible plants, and source and purify water. And let's not forget the critical skill of signaling for help, making yourself visible to rescuers. These are all skills that take practice. So we encourage you to familiarize yourself with these survival hacks in a safe environment before you really need them. Remember, survival is not about the fittest, but the most prepared. So gear up, practice, and stay safe out there.